Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by title, I have a July Glossybox video for you all. I have got my glasses on so I can actually read and talk about the products. I have also just filmed a Scamp and Dude haul, so that is what the amalgamation of clothes over there are. Also, I'm filming with natural light, so hopefully the lighting doesn't change too much throughout this video. Fingers crossed on that. This is the monthly Glossybox for the month of July. I have already opened it and looked through it because I'm really impatient. I have tried to put the things back in the box in a nice presentation, but I don't think I've been too successful with that. But this is what it looks like. We're back to the standard normal box, which is just that pink packaging with the black bow, and I'm just going to get the products out, talk a little bit about them. I will then share my overall thoughts at the end of the video with you all. So the first product we've got is this, which is the full size, I believe full size, version of the Neutrogena Hydro Burst Water Gel Cleanser. Looks like that. I haven't tried this face wash. I have tried the Hydro Burst moisturiser and my skin got on fine with it. I wouldn't say it was particularly an outstanding moisturiser, but I didn't have any adverse reaction to it, so that's the first product. I will also write in the description how much each one of these products is supposedly valued at. They do also have the QR code on here that you can scan and it would take you to the online magazine where you could read a little bit about these products, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to quickly show you these things and talk about them a little bit as I pull them out, and you guys can let me know what you prefer, if you prefer me reading the products off this or prefer the way I'm doing this now. So second product we have is this, which is the grüum, I'm not sure if that's correct, the grüum Hydrating Facial Mist. This is a 50ml product. We then have this big product. This is the Aftersun Chamomile Calming Aftersun Balm. It's by the brand Feel Free Natural Skincare. This looks like a full-size product. It's 200ml. Got that. We then have this, which is the Luna by Luna eyebrow pencil in the shade Truffle, which I will swatch for you. This I think is actually going to be too dark for me, so I am passing this on to my mum, who I think will get on a lot better with it, but looks like that. I think that might be too dark, I'm not sure. I don't tend to, just so you guys can see, I don't tend to fill in my eyebrows anymore. I quite like actually how my eyebrows look without any product in them. I did used to fill them in, but we got that. Again, this is going to get passed on to my mum. That's the only reason why I've swatched it. If I was giving it to a friend, I wouldn't swatch it. And then we have this, which is the last product, and this is the So Eco Eyelash Curler. Looks like that. Again, this is also getting passed on to my mum. My mum looked through this box and she requested this, so this is getting passed on to her. I don't actually use eyelash curlers. I have really short pin straight lashes that point downwards despite curling them, which sounds really weird because my hair is really curly and really big. I love having really curly and really big hair, but it's an odd balance, the fact that my hair and my lashes are completely opposites. It doesn't bother me, but I just don't curl them because it makes no difference whether I curl them or not. They just do their own thing, so I don't curl my lashes. But yeah, so I'm just going to quickly run over the products and then share my overall thoughts on this box and talk about how many products I'm keeping and then how many products I'm going to give away. First thing we have is the Neutrogena face wash, looks like that. Second thing we have is the Hydrating Facial Mist. Third thing is the Aftersun. Fourth thing was the Luna by Luna eyebrow pencil in the shade Truffle, looks like that. And then the fifth thing is the So Eco Eyelash Curler. So we got 5 things in this box. Again, all the information on the retail for these products and the overall cost breakdown will be in the description below. So my overall thoughts on this box, I don't particularly love this box. I think it seems a bit random in terms of the combination of products. I don't really understand why there is an eyebrow pencil with an Aftersun. I'm not really sure on the theme of this box, so to speak. I'll just give you a breakdown on what I will be keeping and what I will be passing on. So I will be keeping the Neutrogena face wash. I'm on the fence about this. I haven't tried this facial mist before, so I'm not sure if I'll keep this or not. This is going in the maybe pile. I don't go out in the sun very often. I wear SPF 50 every day, and I'm really conscious of skin cancer and of burning my skin, so I don't actually think that this Aftersun would be a particularly worthwhile product to me. I understand it's probably only one of the products you buy when you actually need it. I don't think this product is really going to be for me because I avoid the sun at all costs. So I will pass this product on. We then have the Luna and Luna eyebrow pencil. My mum is going to have this, so I'm passing this on. And we also have the eyelash curler, which I'm passing on. So in terms of what I'm keeping and in terms of what I'm passing on, I'm keeping the Neutrogena face wash, and I may keep this. This is in the maybe pile. So I am keeping 1 to 2 products out of the 5 products. Overall thoughts, I don't love this box. Again, you can't love every single box, it's just one of them things, but this is definitely not my favourite box. I like the fact we have a face wash. I'm a bit confused as to why we couldn't pick the eyebrow shades that we wanted for the pencil. That seems a bit odd, and just kind of the combination of the products seems a bit bizarre, like how we've got an Aftersun. I would have preferred to see a full-size SPF 50 as a preventative measure rather than an after effect kind of a thing. But yeah, this has been my overall thoughts on this box. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching this, and I will speak to you all in my next video. If you've got this box, let me know your thoughts. Bye guys.